Hello, first grade artists. It's Miss O here. Today we are going to be reviewing lines. Now, we learned many of these lines in kindergarten, but we're going to be reviewing them today. It's been quite a while. We are going to be drawing something flying through the sky. Maybe it's a shooting star, maybe it's a rocket ship, or something else that you've thought of. My only requirement is that you use at least 5 different lines in your drawing today. When you are done, your drawing might look something just like this. Today, you are going to need a piece of paper and a set of markers or crayons to color with. Let's get started. I'm going to start this project by picking up my black marker and drawing a star. Now, I am going to draw a 5-pointed star made of diagonal lines, but you can make whatever you would like. You can make a rocket ship or some different planets, but I'm going to start my star up in the top corner. And I'm going to start by making 2 diagonal lines. I'm going to go up and down, just like that. Then I'm going to go out and in, out and in. Now I have 1, 2, 3 points to my star. Next, I'll go out and in, out and in, just like that. Now, I can see my star isn't perfect. This point is a little bit smaller than that point, but that's okay. I am not looking for this to be perfect. I like it just the way it is. Now, I told you earlier that I want 5 different kinds of lines. So I'm going to start with this magenta and make my first line. It's going to start by the point of the star and go all the way to the end of my paper. I'm going to start by making a vertical line going up and down, just like that. Now, if you would like to make all of your lines the same color, that's fine, but I'm going to put this away and choose a new color. I like this orange. Next, I'm going to make a zigzag line. I'm going to start by the star and zig back and forth. Next, I'm going to pick yellow. I think I'll end up going in rainbow order for this project. And I'm going to make a dashed line all the way to the bottom. Next, I think I would like to make a wavy line. Now I'm going to kind of make this wavy line end over here because I think I'd like one of the lines to eventually end up all the way in the corner. I'm going to start the point here and I'm going to do some nice waves. They're kind of big and spread apart just like that. Or I could make a wavy line that has lots of waves going up and down, just like that. Next, I'm going to pick turquoise, and I think I would like to make just a regular diagonal line, starting at the star and going all the way to the corner there. After that, I'm going to make one of my favorite lines, which is the castle line. This line goes up, across, and down. Kind of looks like the top of a castle. I can make a looped line, also one of my favorites. I'm going to make just a few spirals up in this corner. I'm going to start in the middle, go around, and and around and around. The very last line I think I'm going to make today is just a regular horizontal line. I'm gonna find my red and I'm going to start at the star, go straight across, making one horizontal line. Let's count all the different lines I've made and see if I came up with at least 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, 10 different lines. I wonder how many you can come up with when you do this project. Now I'm going to go ahead and color with my crayons. You can color with markers if you like. I'm going to pick this golden and lightly color in my star, back and forth, or little circles. Totally up to you. Just remember, try to stay in the lines, color neatly. This is not a race. Getting this done quickly will not make it look any better. Coloring usually takes a minute or two. Done. The very last step is coloring the background. Now this is optional, but I do think it just adds a little bit more color and interest to your artwork. I'm going to start with orange because this is an orange line, but I don't want to cover this up. So when I color with the crayon, I'm going to color really lightly, back and forth, to stay light and stay inside the lines. I'm going to go all the way up to the star, just like that. When you are finished coloring the background, your artwork might look something like this. That's all I have for you today, first grade. I hope you have a lot of fun making some different line designs. Bye.